What up guys, it's Nick. Today we're going to be doing something out of the ordinary. We're going to be cooking a tri-tip in the air fryer. So there's a couple reasons for this. Smokers aren't readily available for everybody. They're expensive, but most everybody these days has an air fryer or has the ability to purchase one. So I'm going to do this based around that thought process. Please give me a like, please subscribe. I want to keep these videos going. I appreciate all your support. I'm going to keep this under 5 minutes. So I'm not going to drone on forever. So the first things first, we want to pull the tri-tip out and make sure that it's completely thawed. While it's thawing, you can go to the store and pick up, your favorite rub or whatever you would like to put on your tri-tip. Since you're not actually going to be smoking it, I recommend getting some sort of rub or flavoring that has smoke in it so that you get that smoky flavor without actually smoking it. Alright guys, it's the moment of truth here. We're going to put this in the air fryer. You're going to want to turn this on, let it turn to 400. That's the max for this model air fryer, and then you're going to hit start and let it warm up. We're going to put the time way up. I would say put the time at like 45 minutes. Alright guys, check it out. We're going to go ahead and put this bad boy in here. So 8 minutes per side, 8 minutes temp check, 8 minutes temp check until you get your desired temperature. Let's go! We're at 45 minutes for the cook. In the future, I would definitely recommend just doing 40 minutes, maybe every 10 minutes, pulling it and flipping it. I was doing every 8 initially, and that didn't really work out. So let's see what our temperature is now. Magical number is 145, if you guys remember. It's still kind of under an area. Like right there is good. Right there is good. You're gonna let this rest for a little bit. And then I'll cut it and we'll see what we're looking at. As you can see, it came out not too bad. So I would definitely recommend doing this. This isn't the ideal cook air fryer for tri-tip, but I mean, some of these cuts are a little bit more on the rare side. Over here though, there's some variety. So if you want, medium, you get down into the more cooked. But we have some variety here, which is great. I like mine more on the rare side, and my wife likes hers more medium. We got everything in between, so hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe. You guys have a great day or night. Peace!